It's a wonderful new day! Hey!
Mixer truck.
The construction vehicles are building a new house!
Amazing! Good job! Okay.
The walls and foundation are all built!
Crane truck.
Let's go! Okay.
Dump truck.
So nice! Wow, it's a nice slide! Okay. Very nice. Good job.
The doors and windows are put in place too! Hey! Now only the roof is left! The crane truck lifted the roof,
Look at this. Come here.
then snap! The hook broke! The roof fell down and smashed the mixer truck! Oh no! His tires are flat! The dump truck hurried over to help!
Okay. It's a disappear. Okay. Let's go.
He went to the repair shop to get a new hook!
I like it. Good job. Look at this. What is this? Yeah.
Crane truck changed the hook and lifted the broken roof away!
Okay. Let's go. Wow, it's a nice slide.
Mixer truck, time to get fixed!
Goodbye. Wow.
He got new tires!
So nice. I like it. Good job.
Hey!
Wow, it's a nice slide. Good job. Very nice. I like it. Good job. Look at this. It's amazing.
The mixer truck is replaced!
Okay.
And the squished part is fixed too!
Okay.
Wow! Mixer truck looks as good as new! That's great! Dump truck brought the shiny new roof!
What's next? Wow. Who is next?
The crane truck put the roof safely on the house! Hooray! The beautiful new house is all finished! Hey guys! If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe! Bye-bye! See you next time!